Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stylish world of Anushka Sain, an icon whose fashion choices never fail to turn heads. So, let's explore her fashion journey and take notes on how she effortlessly slays beach look. Anushka's signature beach looks revolves around vibrant and eye-catching swimwear. She's often seen donning bikinis in bold prints and striking colors that perfectly complement her vivacious personality. Whether it's a tropical floral pattern or a chic geometric design, she knows how to make a statement while soaking up the sun. In addition to her swimwear, the beauty incorporates trendy cover-ups and accessories to elevate her beach ensemble. She might opt for a breezy sarong or a stylish kaftan to add a touch of elegance to her look. These versatile pieces not only provide coverage when needed but also serve as fashionable accents that enhance her overall appearance. When it comes to accessories, the actress keeps it simple yet sophisticated. She often accessorizes her beach outfits with oversized sunglasses, a floppy hat, and statement earrings, adding a touch of glamour to her laid-back beach look. These accessories not only shield her from the sun but also amplify the chic vibe of her ensemble. Her footwear choices are equally on point for her beach outings. Whether she's strolling along the shoreline or lounging by the water, she opts for stylish yet practical footwear options such as strappy sandals or espadrilles. These shoes not only provide comfort for long walks on the beach but also complement her beachwear effortlessly. In terms of beauty, the beauty prefers a natural and dewy look that exudes freshness and radiance. She often keeps her hair tousled in loose waves, embracing the beachy vibe, and opts for minimal makeup with a focus on glowing skin and a pop of color on her lips. This effortless beauty routine perfectly complements her beach fashion choices, enhancing her sun-kissed glow. The actress is known for her keen eye for fashion, and she doesn't shy away from experimenting with different styles even when it comes to beachwear. Apart from the classic bikini and cover-up combination, she also embraces one-piece swimsuits with unique cuts and designs. Whether it's a plunging neckline, cutouts, or intricate straps, Anushka isn't afraid to opt for swimsuits that showcase her curves while maintaining a sense of sophistication. The actress pays attention to the fabric and texture of her beach outfits, ensuring they not only look stylish but also feel comfortable against her skin. She often selects lightweight and breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and chiffon for her cover-ups and accessories, allowing her to stay cool and relaxed even under the sun's rays. The beauty gravitates towards a mix of bold and soft hues, depending on her mood and the occasion. While she may opt for vibrant shades like coral, turquoise, and fuchsia to make a statement, she also embraces softer tones such as pastel pinks, blues, and neutrals for a more understated and elegant look. When it comes to styling her beach outfits, she pays attention to the details. She might cinch her waist with a stylish belt or add a delicate body chain for a touch of glamour. By incorporating these subtle accents, she effortlessly enhances the overall silhouette of her ensemble, creating a look that's both flattering and fashionable. The actress also understands the importance of practicality when spending time at the beach. Along with her stylish attire, she always packs essentials like sunscreen, a beach towel, and a water-resistant bag to ensure she's prepared for a day of fun in the sun. This thoughtful approach to beach essentials showcases her practical yet stylish mindset. Anushka isn't afraid to experiment with the latest styles, whether it's high-waisted bikini bottoms, retro-inspired sunglasses, or oversized straw hats. However, she always puts her own unique spin on these trends, infusing them with her personal flair and staying true to her individual sense of style. The actress often opts for chic casual outfits for her day-to-day appearances. She effortlessly pulls off distressed denim paired with trendy crop tops or oversized shirts. Her casual looks are often completed with stylish sneakers or ankle boots, showcasing her youthful vibe and fashion-forward attitude. When it comes to ethnic wear, the beauty exudes grace and elegance. She's frequently seen in beautifully crafted traditional ensembles, ranging from intricately embroidered saris to graceful anarkalis. Anushka knows how to steal the spotlight on the red carpet. She often opts for glamorous gowns that accentuate her figure while exuding sophistication. Whether it's a sleek and slinky silhouette or a voluminous ball gown, she always manages to make a statement with her red carpet looks, often accessorizing with statement jewelry and sleek hairstyles. The actress effortlessly transitions from red carpet glamour to street style chic. Her street style looks are a perfect blend of comfort and fashion, often incorporating trendy pieces like oversized jackets, statement accessories, and edgy footwear. She's not afraid to experiment with bold streetwear trends, making her a fashion inspiration for many of her fans. One of the most intriguing aspects of her fashion choices is her willingness to experiment with unconventional styles. From quirky prints to avant-garde silhouettes, whether it's donning bold makeup looks or experimenting with unconventional fabrics, her fearless approach to fashion sets her apart from her peers. Anushka effortlessly channels bohemian vibes with her fashion choices. She often incorporates flowy maxi dresses, crochet tops, and fringed accessories into her wardrobe, creating a laid-back yet stylish aesthetic. With her carefree attitude and love for nature-inspired elements, she epitomizes the boho chic look, inspiring her followers to embrace their free-spirited side. The actress seamlessly combines comfort and style with her athleisure outfits. She's often spotted in trendy athleisure wear, such as sleek leggings paired with crop tops or oversized hoodies. Adding her own touch of elegance, she accessorizes with statement sneakers and chic sunglasses, proving that athleisure can be both fashionable and functional. The actress occasionally pays homage to vintage fashion with her glamorous retro-inspired looks. She effortlessly channels the elegance of past decades with tailored blazers, high-waisted trousers, and classic accessories. Whether she's rocking a vintage-inspired updo or sporting cat eye sunglasses, she brings a touch of old Hollywood glamour to the modern fashion scene. Despite her penchant for bold and eclectic styles, Anushka also embraces minimalist fashion with sophistication. She understands the power of simplicity and often opts for clean lines, neutral tones, and understated silhouettes. Whether she's wearing a sleek midi dress or tailored separates, she proves that less is indeed more when it comes to timeless elegance. The actress effortlessly elevates activewear to new heights with her fashion-forward gym looks. She's often seen in stylish workout ensembles featuring trendy leggings, sports bras, and crop tops. With her dedication to fitness and fashion, she inspires her followers to prioritize both health and style, showcasing that gym attire can be fashionable and functional. Anushka isn't afraid to make a statement with her accessories. From oversized hats to bold belts and quirky handbags, she knows how to elevate her outfits with the perfect finishing touch. The actress also uses her platform to advocate for sustainable fashion choices. She's often seen promoting eco-friendly brands and opting for sustainable materials in her outfits. Whether it's choosing clothing made from organic cotton or supporting ethical fashion initiatives, she showcases how fashion can be both stylish and environmentally conscious. Anushka Sen is adept at adapting her fashion choices to suit the seasons. During the warmer months, she embraces lightweight fabrics and breezy silhouettes, opting for airy dresses, flowy skirts, and breathable tops in vibrant hues and playful prints. In contrast, when the temperatures drop, she effortlessly transitions to cozy layers, incorporating stylish jackets, sweaters, and scarves into her ensembles while still maintaining her signature flair. Her fashion choices often reflect her global influences, drawing inspiration from various cultures and fashion capitals around the world. Whether it's incorporating elements of Parisian chic with tailored blazers and berets, channeling the laid-back vibe of California with denim-on-denim looks and oversized sunglasses, or embracing the eclectic charm of Tokyo street style with bold colors and quirky accessories, she showcases her appreciation for diverse fashion aesthetics. The actress demonstrates her creativity and resourcefulness by occasionally incorporating DIY and upcycled fashion into her wardrobe. She's known to customize her clothing with unique embellishments, embroidery, or patches, adding a personal touch to her outfits. Additionally, she advocates for sustainability by repurposing old garments or thrifted finds, showcasing how fashion can be both eco-conscious and stylish. The actress collaborates with fashion brands and designers to create exclusive collections that resonate with her personal style and ethos. Whether it's designing capsule collections inspired by her travels, collaborating on sustainable fashion initiatives, or curating her own line of accessories, she uses her platform to connect with her audience and promote fashion that aligns with her values. The actress is a vocal advocate for body positivity and inclusivity in the fashion industry. She celebrates diversity by embracing her natural curves and promoting self-confidence through her fashion choices. Whether she's rocking body-hugging silhouettes or flowy styles, she encourages her fans to embrace their unique bodies and love themselves just as they are. The actress understands the importance of versatile wardrobe staples that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks. She invests in timeless pieces such as tailored blazers, classic denim, crisp white shirts, and versatile accessories that can effortlessly transition from day to night, casual to formal, ensuring that her wardrobe remains both stylish and functional. Her fashion choices extend beyond clothing to encompass her hair and makeup looks as well. She experiments with different hairstyles, from sleek ponytails and voluminous curls to messy buns and braided updos, complementing her outfits with the perfect hairdo. Similarly, she plays with makeup trends, showcasing bold lip colors, graphic eyeliner, and radiant skin, adding an extra layer of flair to her overall look. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.